We're gonna make an organizer for your shower. We got a tongue scraper, toothbrush, razor, and dental floss shelf. Let's shower. I'm gonna put my toothbrush here, my tongue scraper, my shaver, and my dental floss on top. Really cool in the shower. Used a piece of aluminum. I cut it to size. I measured the distance between each item, and then I notched them out with an angle grinder. And then I put this on my sander over here. I got a belt sander, or what the heck you wanna call it, sanded it, made it nice and smooth. Used a little file or whatnot right here. And we're gonna get this thing going. It's probably like a 20-minute project, nothing crazy, but it's gonna help organize my stuff in the shower. All right, I got that all sanded down. Make sure to follow your sandpaper with the grain to make it look like it's factory. This thing looks good. Got the 3M waterproof double-sided sticky tape. I got that. I think I'm gonna stick it right here. Find a good spot, keep it straight. Okay, we got the tongue scraper, the toothbrush, the razor, and the dental floss all on a shelf. As long as it works. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Go make one.